come and go quicker than some allergies. You kick it a few times, but it doesn't imply you down with me. You may think I'm cool and laid back when you first encounter me, but that's when I unleash the true beast that live deep down in me. The sound of it enters your soul like an evil resident. So let us settle in, this is high quality medicine. It's twisting its head off like it's the demon's head on Exorcist. I'm murdering with verse and I wear his bones as a necklace.